guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and today's video, this is my sister Fran. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you some things that I picked up from the Goodwill bins, aka the Goodwill Outlet. So let's jump into it. I have a big pile right here. Okay, so the first item I got is just this Everlean t-shirt. It's just like this kind of a cream color. And it's a size large. I might just like wash this and use it for myself because I just think it's cute and I could just wear it around the house. So yeah, I might do that. Next I have this Lululemon. It's like, it's a dated piece for sure. It's one of those that has like the bra like built in and then like the overlaid tank top. So I might just drop this off at Plato's. It has the rip tag still. It's a size 8. But yeah, I might drop this off at Plato's just because it's dated and I know Plato's always picks up Lululemon. Next, I picked up this LL Bean like cowl neck sweatshirt. And this is still on their website. It's a extra large petite. And it has like this cowl neck and then it has the fleece on the one side. It's really soft and it's in like new condition. So that's why I picked this up, just based off of the size, the condition, it being like a newer style and like pretty substantial. Okay, next I got this PacSun mock neck. It's like this cute mock neck crew, like it's kind of oversized. Really cute. So I'll probably list that for like 25 bucks or something. I mean, I just thought it was in decent condition and pretty like stylish. Okay, I got these two bras. I don't know if this was a great pickup, but they're the same exact bra. They're called like the feather bra or something, and they're sold on Amazon. They're the same size, same style, so they're size 2X, yeah, the feather bra. So I'll probably just list that and see. I don't think I'm gonna get a whole lot because like I said, it's like an Amazon brand, but I just thought they're like new. Okay, next I got this children's item. It's really cute. This is from Matilda Jane, and it's a size 14 for girls. It's just like this really fuzzy. It's honestly in like new condition. Like the fuzzy part is just so soft. So I figured I would list that. Next I got this soft surroundings tunic. So it kind of has like a lag-and look type look to it, and then like a shark bite or asymmetrical hem. And again, this is in like new condition. You can tell by the wording, it's not missing any pieces or anything. It hasn't been washed or worn a whole lot. This is a size 1X. So I got this based off of style, the condition, and then the size. So those 3 reasons are why I picked it up. Usually I don't like to pick up like long sleeve tunics or shirts, but for those reasons that I mentioned, I felt that this one was okay and I could make some money off of that. Okay, this is from a brand called Lucy in the Sky. So this is actually a dress. I know it looks like a top, but when I looked at the stock photos, it's like a dress. It has like this really cute like beading there. And then this is so it says Lucy in the Sky, Los Angeles. And this was really cute. I thought it was like, I've heard of Lucy in the Sky before, and I thought that it was like a really desirable brand, or like a higher end brand at least. And when I looked up comps, like this only sold, it was on their website for like $60 or something. So I don't know, I thought it was gonna be like a higher priced item, but yeah, I'm still excited. I think it'll sell eventually, but. Okay, next I got this TRF outerwear, which is Zara, and it's just this coat. It's kind of like a basic, like substantial, classic piece, and it's a size extra small. So I just threw it in my cart just because I feel like it'll sell in the fall. It just has like that classic silhouette, classic feel to it. I think it's a wool blend. It is a little dated, like you can tell by the tag. It says TRF outerwear. So it's definitely more of a dated Zara piece, but okay, I got this for me, but I don't know if it'll fit. It's an extra small petite, but I kind of wanted it to be like a boxy, like crop top. I mean, it kind of looks like it's bigger, so I don't know. I'm gonna wash it and see how it fits. This is from the Gap, and I also found another one that I think is black, so it's in this pile somewhere. But yeah, it's 100% organically grown cotton. So I just kind of wanted to see if they would fit me, and you know, we'll just try it out. Next, I got these Athleta like cargo or hiking pants. I think these are called the Trekkie, and they're like the cropped Trekkie, so they are a more dated style. You can tell by the tag, but I feel like this style, the Trekkie pant, like people follow that and they want it, they search it out. So I think that these will sell eventually. I might list these for like 35 bucks. Okay, next I found this Marine Layer, and this is a pretty good brand, especially when you find like their wool items or like their more substantial pieces, like their coats, obviously. This is a size small, and it's like this quarter like button up, and it has these different colored buttons, so it's kind of cute. There is some pilling, light pilling throughout, so we'll see how this does, but I think it's a polyester combo. Yeah, polyester and rayon, so I don't know. I think this might be one of their lower tiered items, but I'm still gonna list it and see how it does. Just, yeah, the condition isn't the best, and then also the fabric content isn't the best. So the big reason I picked this up was due to the brand and like just like it being more of a substantial, like bigger piece. But okay, this item surprised me. So this is Levi's, and it's like this jacket. It's like a shirt jacket, Sherpa shirt jacket with this yellow. And I thought that this would have retailed for like $98 or something. But when I did a Google image search, so I took a picture and then used Google Images. What returned was, it was on the website, like, but it was sold out, but you could see like how much it sold for. It was like $346 or something was the retail price. I'm like, what the heck? So I think that this must have, yeah, it says Levi's made and crafted. So maybe this is a label to look out for with Levi's. Maybe this is like a more premium label within the Levi's brand, because this, I mean, it's nice and everything, but I definitely was not expecting it to be like an over $300 coat. So that was kind of cool. I'll probably list this for around $100, I'm hoping. Here's that other Gap t-shirt. It's just that extra small petite. So if I wash these and I don't like they don't fit very well, then I'm just gonna bundle them up and just throw them up in a listing. Okay, here's another like tunic, and this is by J. Jill. This is a size 2X. This actually already sold. It's in excellent condition, especially for it being white, and it has this embroidery on the sleeves. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's pretty cute, but this sold, I wanna say for like 20 bucks, so yeah, I mean, I just picked it up in the bins and it sold like, I'm not kidding, like a day later after I listed it. So that was pretty good. Okay, this was a really good brand. I've never heard of this. So it says Lothlorien, and then it said made in New Zealand. So when I saw made in New Zealand, that kind of like made me want to look more into this. And it says 50% Australian cotton and then 50% New Zealand merino wool. So I looked at the website when I was in the bins, like checking comps, and it looked really good. The items retailed for a lot, and then the resale value on a lot of the items was a lot. So this is just like a cardigan, like a kind of a ribbed cardigan. Here, I can try it on. And it's a size large, extra large, so it's kind of, you can see it definitely would fit that, but it kind of looks cute like on, I'm a size medium, so it's kind of like a little bit oversized on me, but it's pretty cute. And then it's like ribbed, very soft. I like the color. It's like a baby blue. So that's kind of cool. I was excited about that. I've never found this brand or anything, but like I said, I saw the Made in New Zealand, the merino wool, and then La Florian. So yeah, and there's no holes or anything. I checked it over. Okay, next I have this coat, and this is Banana Republic. So it's just kind of one of those basic style, classic, you know, because this is a more, oh. There's some ripping coming up. I didn't really notice that. So that sucks. So there's definitely a flaw there and that collar piece. But this is a size medium. And again, there's some like stains, but I think I can get that out. It looks like pretty surface stained, so. It's 100% wool. So the fabric content is great. And it's again, like a classic, like black, long line jacket, just kind of a staple piece for a lot of people that never goes out of style. So I figured I would just throw that in my cart, and then when the fall comes, I'm sure it'll sell at that point. But I mean, I pick up things all year round, so if I see a coat in the middle of July that's really nice, I'll pick it up. Or if I see a coat, you know, in the springtime, anytime, and then I list it. So I don't like wait around until the fall to list my fall items. I just list them throughout the year. But yeah, I think that coat will do really well. Okay, this I picked up for myself. So this is H&M. It's a size medium, and it's just like this kind of oversized blazer jacket. And I liked the color. I liked that it was like oversized. I just thought this would be cool to just throw it on as like a jacket. I don't know if you guys can see. So, yeah. Yeah, I think this will be nice. I mean, this is in like new condition again. There's no stains or anything. The fabric feels good, like it hasn't been washed a lot. So I definitely think I'll wear that. Okay, next, another J. Jill item. So this is called the Pont dress. It's like kind of a long sleeve sweater dress kind of. And I like the color, this emerald green, and then the size is a 2X. It's also in great condition. So I just felt like this would be something easy to list, and something like the style, since it's on there, it says Pont. I felt like people would be searching for that. Like, you know what I mean? They probably make this in numerous colors and numerous different fabrics. They probably have, when they release new items, they probably put this kind of dress out a lot. So it probably has a good following. So I just thought that that would be a good item to pick up. Maybe list for like 30 bucks, $25, $30, I don't know. Okay, next I got this dress, and this is from Lulu's, which I know isn't like doing as good as it used to. But I just thought this was like a substantial piece. It was really cute. It had these little bow sleeves, and then this like Swiss dot material, which is really cute. And then the blue color, and it being maxi with like the tiers, and then like that. I just think this is so adorable. So I picked it up. It's a size large. Again, I don't think I'm gonna get a whole lot. Maybe I'll list this for like $35, $40. And I can use keywords like wedding guest, cocktail, party, you know. Okay, next I got this because I know people really like this, like selling this, like the vintage cachet. So this is a size 4, and it's definitely really cute. You can see that's the top, and it has all these jewels. It's like really silky, and it's all the way down, so it's just like this really pretty maxi satiny dress. And then the back is adorable. It has like this kind of tie. So I thought that was cute and kind of like Y2K. That's the word I'm going to use, is Y2K, strappy, like a red dress, prom, homecoming, those kind of things. Okay, and then I got 2 pairs of Levi jeans. These were obviously donated by the same person. They're in excellent condition. I don't even think that these were really worn. You can tell by this patch. and then just how it feels. But these are both like skinny jeans. So this one is the 312 Shaping Slim. It's a size 26, which I think is also a size 6. But yeah, this one, I mean, again, I can just find an easy stock photo for that and just list it, and maybe somebody really loves these jeans and they're looking for them. So, and then these are the other ones. Again, size 6, classic mid-rise skinny. You know, I don't love selling skinny jeans, but again, the condition, I mean, I think that these will sell eventually. It'll probably take some time, but okay, I got this for myself. This is Ralph Lauren. It's a size medium. I just thought this was really cute. I liked the pockets and like it kind of being a boxy cropped fit. That's what I kind of like, is like a boxier fit. And then it has this patch, which was kind of cute. So, and then the inside was so soft. It's like this fleece. So I'm just gonna wash this. It definitely needs washed. And then, oh, the zipper is kind of finicky, but I just like those pockets, and like I just think this is pretty cool. So I'll wash that and see if I like it. Next I got this, even though I don't know if this was the best pickup. So this is just like one of those like kind of a slip tank top or pajama top, black satiny with a razor back. And I never heard of this brand. It's called Flora by Flora Nicrus. So I Googled that when I was in the store, and Revolve came up and Nordstrom. So they definitely sell their pajamas on those kind of websites. So that intrigued me, and I kind of just, due to the weight, I just threw it in my cart. So we'll see how it does. I'm not expecting a whole lot. Maybe I'll list this for like 20 bucks or something. So, okay, this was a cool find. So I found these shorts first, and these are by Me Undies, which they have like really good fabric. Like people really love the feel of their fabric. And they're obviously known for their underwear, but they have pajamas too, I guess. So I first found these shorts and I was like, oh my God, I hope I can find a top. And I kept searching and searching, and I did. I found the top, which was great. So that definitely will be a good find. And it's definitely nicer to like list them as a set than individually. They're both an extra small. So yeah, the fabric feels really good. I don't think these were worn a whole lot. They feel great. And then I found these two bras. Oops. These are from Victoria's Secret. They're the same size and they look like they're pretty close to the same style. They're 32C. Oh, very sexy push-up. Let me see what this one is. Very sexy push-up. Yeah, so these are both the same style and the same size. So I was just gonna like, you know, take a photo of both of them together. Yeah, they have like this jewel. So they're the same. I don't know if you guys can see that. But, yep, I'm just gonna list those in one listing. And then I have, oh, these are Offline by Aerie. And they're like these crossover flare, kind of like a yoga pant. And I have them in, I have one in a medium, and then I also have a large, but I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's right here. So somebody must have had two pairs of the same pair of pants, but one in a large and one in a medium. So I'll probably just list these, or I might drop them off at Plato's. I don't know. I'll probably list them because I think they're in great condition. Okay, so that's all that I have. Oh, I also got this painting I want to show you. So I ended up getting this painting from the bins. I thought it was pretty cool. I liked like the fruit bowl. I know that's like kind of in right now. And then the back says Abundance by Amelia Glovna, 1967. So it's an original painting. I just thought it was cool, so I just threw it in my cart. I don't think I paid a whole lot for it. I'll probably keep this for myself because I do like it a lot. Okay guys, that's all that I have. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.